What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and Shiba Inu. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. And if you are new around here, consider smashing the like button and subscribing to the channel. Now, Bitcoin broke above 30,000 for the first time since May of 2022. So almost a year ago since we've seen Bitcoin at these levels, and things are looking better and better. So BTC currently sitting at $30,227. If you can look at here, over the last 3 months, we're almost up double from 17K. And over the past year, we're back to May numbers, folks. We haven't seen Bitcoin at these levels for almost a year. Now, the question becomes, why is the rest of the crypto market really not dominating? Bitcoin dominance has increased to 47.1%, the highest it's been since about a year now. Ethereum currently sitting at 1917, up about 3%, a humble 3%, we'll take it. But relative to Bitcoin, the market's not doing too much. And I have my opinion about this. Shiba Inu currently sitting at 11,200 Satoshis. We are seeing an uptick, in the global cryptocurrency market. But what we need to understand and talk about is why we're seeing Bitcoin dominate. Now, remember, if you are new around here, 15 free stocks await you down below in the description with Mumu. So take advantage, 3 steps. Deposit nothing, get a free stock. Shout out to Mumu for that. Deposit $100, get 5 free stocks, and then $1,000 for 15 total stocks. It supports the channel. I am an affiliate. So with that being said, both of us, it's almost a symbiotic relationship. Or I should say a 3-way relationship where you benefit by getting free money. So does Mumu by you becoming a customer there, and me as an affiliate. For everyone who signs up, I also get a little bit of a payment. But let's go ahead and dive in. So Bitcoin on a fun ride to $220,000, says Max Keiser, and he reaffirms his prediction by the end of the year. He wrote here 30K BTC. This is going to be a fun ride to 220,000. The meme that keeps on giving, which I'm not sure exactly what he meant by the last statement, because we know right now Bitcoin is being seen as an asset and finally decoupling from a lot of the other markets. It hasn't decoupled fully yet. What we're seeing right now is crypto is on a meteoric rise, doubling in the last 3 months, almost 100% rise since the beginning of 2023. So people are trying to look for it as a potential mechanism to hedge against inflation, hedge against the US dollar. As we know right now with hyperinflation and just the recession scares, people want to figure out, how do I diversify my assets, especially what's been happening with the banking systems here in the United States, in Europe, and globally. So because of all these things, we hear a $220,000 prediction in Bitcoin. We saw Balaji coming out on Twitter saying that he wants to see a 1 million, or we will be seeing a $1 million Bitcoin over the next 90 days. This was published on March 17th. And so he still has about 2 months and 6 days before his prediction, which is June, to see a $1 million Bitcoin. He put a bet on it with someone. You buy 1 Bitcoin, I will send 1 million USD via a smart contract. And that's his big bet as the ex-CTO, or Chief Technology Officer over at Coinbase. So Balaji is saying this. And now we're also seeing other individuals with 100, 200, 300. We know Michael Saylor has not stopped buying Bitcoin. So with MicroStrategy buying and buying and buying, Balaji saying a $1 million Bitcoin. And then we see other analysts like Max Keiser, who is saying a $220,000 Bitcoin. The fact is, people are getting very bullish on Bitcoin, and we're seeing that reflective on the market. Now, why am I still bullish on the rest of the crypto market and the altcoins? We've seen this historically time and time again. Bitcoin will run and it will dominate for a period of time. That's new money potentially coming into the crypto market, or people getting out of altcoins and coming into Bitcoin. That lasts for a certain amount of time, whether it's a week or month, 2 months, 3 months. We don't know exactly how long that could take. And that's why I always talk about diversifying. I personally do own Bitcoin. It's on my portfolio. It's one of my bigger holdings, but I also hold ETH. I hold Shiba Inu. I hold some Ripple, Cardano. The list goes on for all the altcoins that I'm currently holding, and meme coins as well. I hold some Dogecoin and things of that nature. But what we need to understand is inflow comes into the biggest asset in the market, that is Bitcoin, and the most accessible. Slowly but surely, people start to realize that if Bitcoin goes to 1 million, that's a 30x from here, right? Right around a 30x. And not a lot of people are satisfied with 30x gains. People want to see 50x, 100x gains. So when you look at it as, okay, Well, Ethereum's currently sitting at a 230 million or $1 billion market cap. So its upside is much bigger than Bitcoin if it approaches a similar trajectory or market cap. And then we look at Shiba Inu going back to its all-time high, an 800% increase from current price. So again, really big upside potential, even potentially in the short term. Because for Bitcoin to return to its all-time high at 70,000, we need to see another double up and a little bit more than that. So we need to see maybe 140, 150% increase from current price action. But for Bitcoin, that's not that much upside to return to its all-time high. But some of these altcoins and meme coins like SHIB and some of the others that I mentioned on the video, the upside potential for those is pretty great. And then we start to see Bitcoin dominance slowly decrease, and then we see diversity in the rest of the crypto market. Digital gold, the Bitcoin narrative is strong and it's attractive to new investors. But with that being said, for those of us that have been in crypto for the last 2 years, if you've been hanging around this channel, or if you've just been speculating and looking from the sideline, not putting any money in, understand that some new money will be coming into crypto, and that's when we see the bull run begin. Remember that. Bull runs begin when new investors come into the crypto market that have never been in it before. If it's only previous money from the last cycle that continues to buy and sell crypto assets, we don't necessarily see a significant run up. Now, a parabolic bull run will come when institutional investors start adding Bitcoin into their balance sheet. What we saw in 2021 with Elon Musk, allowing Tesla to start accepting Bitcoin and putting Bitcoin on their balance sheet and have been holding ever since. Those are the kind of things that will trigger a lot of parabolic type action and a big demand for something that has a finite supply or a deflationary supply like SHIB. I'm excited to see what happens. Do appreciate your support as always. Here to express my opinions to you all. That's all I had for you guys today. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.